Mama always needs some coffee. I love sitting out here on the front porch, drinking my coffee. Over there is that evergreen bush getting ready to be picked up on trash day. Lola, do you like being out on the porch? You get to watch everything, see what's going on. I brought my coffee out into the garden. I touched on this plant right here, this Dusty Miller, in a previous video, but I thought I'd talk a little bit more about it. Let me just get my coffee out of the way here. Oh, let's put that down here. Oh, maybe over here. Put it over here. Oh, Lola. That's our Jack Russell. She will be in a lot of videos. So I wanted to tell you how I turn an annual, which Dusty Miller is sold as an annual, into a perennial. What I do is in the fall, and I'll be showing you this as the seasons change, but I'll just talk about it now. So what I do is I just let it grow all summer, and I do not do anything to it once it dies. Once that first frost kills it, I don't do anything to it. And then this all turns brown, and it, you know, it looks kind of horrible. And the whole garden doesn't look so good once the frost kills mostly everything. I do clear out some of the other plants that I know just grow back. Like if the leaves are all dead and laying on the ground, I clear those out, but I never trim this down or do anything to it. And then when the spring comes, I still let the dead sticks stay on there. And then I wait until I see at the bottom here, I wait until I see at the very bottom of the plant for the first little green specks. But I still don't cut it. I wait until after either Mother's Day or May 15th that I know that there's not going to be any more frost. And then I cut off all the dead parts. And even if there is some that looks like it's like dead and then it's growing on the very ends or something like that, I still cut it off because it all comes back into a nice beautiful plant. That is how I turn an annual like Dusty Miller into a perennial. Put any comments or questions down below. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.